our relative.
I know that dumb shit. Talk to the hand.
That's the wrong hand.
Say the other hand. My grandma doesn't.
The hand is talking. Hello, all two bitches.
I still think you should put underwear in Cody's head.
Why?
It'll be
Maybe write
funny.
that as a reminder.
Why don't you just do it right now?
Grr. Where? Cody. Head. Fuck my D.
Fuck my D.
Underwear Cody head.
Cody.
I bitch underwear Cody head.
What the hell?
It says hi bitch life.
What's my mind?
It says life
Oh, my
hi
mind,
bitch put underwear on Cody's head. Cody head.
Put an S on the end of
Put
Cody.
underwear. Put
Told
underwear
me
Cody head.
yesterday. Go home. Ryan bit my head, or I bit Ryan's head.
Go home or I'll bite your ass.
Do you remember that?
Stay away from my sister. Or tell me God's mark will meet your face. You love this?
Maybe you should be shoved up his ass.
Tommy.
Yeah, I'll go grab the knives.
He chases me around with kitchen knives.
That's only when she pisses me off.
And then he hit my forehead. And then he
She wouldn't make me fucking hot chocolate, so I had to do it.
And then he got the pizza cutter. Johnny, what time is it? Jonathan Austin Tanner.
Wait, what?
It's 4:23.